Yes.
Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I, Charanjit Singh, Company Secretary, welcome our respected board members and all attendees to the 32nd Annual General Meeting of company conducted today via video conferencing and other audio-video modes in compliance with the directives and circulars issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI. The proceedings of this meeting shall be deemed conducted in the registered office of the company in compliance with law. This live streamed meeting utilizes WebEx to facilitate interactive communication. The attendance slips and proxy forms were not sent to shareholders for this meeting as it is organized in online mode. The presence of shareholders for the purpose of quorum shall be counted through video conferencing or other audio video means pursuant to Section 103 of Companies Act 2013. The Register of Contract and Register of Directors shareholding are available for inspection, and interested shareholders may contact the company secretary separately for the aforesaid purpose on mail ID hrd@titanbiotechltd.com. The facility to join this meeting through video conferencing is being made available on first come, first served basis. The opportunity to participate in this annual general meeting is extended to shareholders from their respective locations via video conferencing. All the members have been muted by the host for seamless conduct of this meeting. The company has received requests from few members for registration as speaker in meeting before 23rd September 2024, before close of business hours. Accordingly, these members have been registered and they will be given opportunity to speak during the meeting one by one and ask questions or express their views. The host will facilitate the session when chairperson open the meeting for question and answers. The members may take minimum time to allow other members to participate. Once we start the question and answer session, the audio and video will be unmuted for every registered speaker, one by the host or by the company. All the shareholders must ensure minimum noise in the background, adequate lighting, strong internet connection, allow use of camera on device used, allow use of audio on device to have uninterrupted video and audio quality to attend the meeting. In case a speaker is unable to connect due to any internet connectivity issues, the opportunity will be given to the next registered speaker, and the earlier speaker will be given an opportunity later after all other speakers have spoken. Please limit your speech to maximum 3 minutes each. In compliance with the Companies Act 2013 and SEBI regulations, the company had arranged the e-voting facility to all the members holding shares of the company as on the cutoff date 23rd September 2024 to cast their votes electronically on all resolutions set forth in the notice. Members who have joined the meeting today and have not cast their votes earlier through remote e-voting will have an opportunity to cast their votes during the meeting or 15 minutes after the meeting time through the e-voting system provided by CDSL. Thereafter, the scrutinizer will submit a report on e-voting and voting during the AGM, and the results on the ordinary and special business will be announced immediately after receipt of the report of scrutinizer. So before we start the main proceedings of the meeting, I request the directors and scrutinizer and statutory auditor on the video conference to introduce themselves. So first of all, I welcome Shri Naresh Kumar Singla, who is the Managing Director of company. Sir, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Naresh Kumar Singla, Managing Director of the company, joining this annual general meeting from corporate office at New Delhi. I am also a member of Stakeholders Relationship Committee and Corporate Social Responsibility Committee. Thanks.
Now I request Shri Sureshan Singla, Managing Director of company, to introduce himself. Now I request Shri Raja Singla, Director of your company, to introduce himself.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Raja Singla. I am the director of the company. I am attending this meeting from New Delhi. I propose Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla should chair this meeting. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Udit Singla to introduce himself.
Hello everyone, I am Udit Singla, Director of your company. I am attending this meeting from Delhi. I also propose Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla should chair this meeting. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Shivom Singla to please introduce himself.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Singla. I'm the director of your company. I'm attending this AGM from Corporate Office, New Delhi. I would propose that Mr. Naresh Singla should chair this meeting.
Now I request Ms. Supriya Singla to introduce herself. Now I request Mr. Rohit Jain to please introduce himself.
Everyone, I'm Rohit Jain, Managing Partner, Singhania and Company, and Independent Director of your company. I'm attending this AGM from Athens. I'm Chairman of the Board Meeting, Audit Committee, Stakeholders Relationship Committee, Corporate Social Responsibility Committee. I'm also member of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee. I propose Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla should chair this meeting.
Now I request Mr. Dhairya Madan, Director, to please introduce himself. Now I request Mr. Abhishek Agarwal to please introduce himself.
Hey everyone, I am Abhishek Agarwal, Independent Director of the company attending this AGM from Gurgaon. I am member of Corporate Social Responsibility Committee, Nomination and Remuneration Committee and Audit Committee. I also propose Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla to chair this meeting. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Sureshan Singla, Managing Director, to please introduce himself.
Hello everyone, I'm Sureshan Singla, Director of Titan Biotech Limited. I'm also member of Relationship Membership Committee. I'm proposing Naresh Singla to organize this as a chairman of this meeting.
Now I request Mr. Brijesh Kumar Singh to please introduce himself.
Hello everyone, I am Brijesh Kumar Singh, Independent Director of Biotech. I'm attending this meeting from New Delhi. I also propose Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla to chair this meeting.
So with the permission of the I now request Ms. Supriya Singla to please introduce herself. I request Ms. Supriya Singla to please introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Supriya Singla, Director of this company. I would also request Mr. Naresh Singla to chair this meeting.
So with the permission of the present members and recommendation of directors, Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla has been nominated as the chairman of this meeting. He will preside over the proceedings and lead the discussion. Now I request scrutinizer, Mr. Pankaj Gupta, to please introduce himself.
Good afternoon. I, Pankaj Kumar Gupta, a scrutinizer of this meeting and attending the meeting from Delhi.
Now let me summarize the 9 resolutions placed before today meeting and put to vote by members. Number 1 is adoption of audited financial statements, standalone and consolidated, for financial year ended 31st March 2024. Second is the declaration of dividend on equity shares of company. Third is the appointment of Ms. Supriya Singla as director liable to retire by rotation. The fourth is appointment of Mr. Shivom Singla as director liable to retire by rotation. Fifth is approval of giving loan, guarantee or security for any associate or group entity. Sixth is for ratification of remuneration of cost auditor for 2024-25. And seventh is approval for material related party transactions. Eighth is the mortgage of property of company for borrowing funds and permission of under section 181A of Companies Act 2013. Ninth is ratification of remuneration of cost auditor for 2021-22. Now I request Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla, Managing Director, to take over and chair this meeting. Over to Shri Naresh Kumar Singla.
Thank you, Chandji, and a warm welcome to all directors, auditors, scrutinizers, and members of the company. This is the 32nd annual meeting of the Titan Biotech Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed shareholders, distinguished guests, and fellow stakeholders. On behalf of Board of Directors of Titan Biotech Limited, I welcome you all to this 32nd annual meeting of Titan Biotech Limited. I hope you all are well. It has been a journey of growth, reinvention, and value creation. We are guided by our purpose of running a responsible business that inspires trust. For over 30 years, our mission is to provide the highest quality products and exceptional customer service. We offer a remarkable range of microbiological products, including biological media bases, genetic culture media, media supplements, ready-to-use culture media in all kinds of forms, and laboratory chemicals, antibiotic sensitivity disc, plant tissue culture media, laboratory chemicals, and nutritional products. We are actively promoting and expanding our microbiological culture media range. A culture media is a compound material that has nutrients that are essential for the growth and multiplication of microorganisms. Microorganisms will proliferate on its culture media till they grow and become a visible colony. The media is categorized into two types, solid and the liquid form. Culture media is used to grow a range of organisms either in a particular group or to maintain organism in the culture collections. We are also manufacturing protein hydrolysates that are protein converted into smaller amino acids through a process known as hydrolysis. They can be easily digested and absorbed by the body. They are useful for muscle recovery and the growth. We are also manufacturing collagen used for joint health, skin health, sports nutrition, improve muscle mass, weight management, bone health, hair and nail health. It has it also reduces wrinkles in the skin. The company also manufactures chelated minerals which are useful for increasing milk production in cattle. Company also manufactures menin oligosaccharides used in the poultry nutrition. It helps in gut health improvement, egg production and quality. This industry growth is like as per IBEF, India Brand Equity Foundation. India is among the top 12 destinations for biotechnology worldwide. As per Grand View Research, the global biotechnology market was valued at 1.55 trillion US dollars in 2023 and is projected to grow at a compound annual growth CAGR of 13.96 from 2024 to 2030. The biotechnology industry in India is entering a new era of growth. It holds the potential to revolutionize the Indian economy. The review of the year. The company made revenue from operations of rupees 164.07 crores in the financial year 2023-24 as compared to rupees 143.99 crores in the financial year 2022-23 in the standalone financial results. The total revenue stood at 165.82 crores in 23-24 as compared to rupees 145.94 crores during the financial year 22-23. The profit before tax for the financial year 23-24 was 31.52 crores as compared to 28.11 crores during the financial year 22-23. And profit after tax for the financial year 23-24 was rupees 23.68 crores as compared to rupees 21.02 crores in the financial year 22-23. Key highlights like the earning per share of the company stood at rupees 28.64 as compared to 25.44 during the previous year. The total assets of the company increases by 19.6%. The total revenue increased by over 14% over the previous year revenue. Awards and recognitions. TM Media, being part of a group, wins Elite Pharma Leadership Awards for leading biotechnology company in the award function held on 30th August 2024 at Novotel Juhu in Bombay. Mr. Udit Singla mentioned, we are thrilled to receive this prestigious award. It is a recognition of our team hard work, dedication, and innovative spirit. This award inspires us to continue pushing the boundaries of biotechnology and to deliver groundbreaking solutions that positively impact the world. Further, the brand TM Media has received trademark registration in its prominent market in Vietnam and Philippines. Titan Biotech Limited also won the prestigious award at FI India in 2022-23 for excellence in marketing product launch. Mr. Raja Singla and Shivam Singla collected the award on behalf of the company. It is pertinent to mention here that our new generation entrepreneurs, namely Supriya Singla, Udit Singla, Raja and Shivam Singla, have added figures to the company and are working with full commitment to build our company brand and grow the entire group of companies and playing pivotal role in each segment and activity. Your company is participating in various events in India and abroad, like Medica, Arab Lab, MedLab, CPHI Japan, CPHI Korea, CPHI India, Vita Food, Fi India, Fi Europe, Poultry India, and many more global presence and growth. Outlook and future plans. There is growing demand for microbiological and diagnostics and culture media solutions. Further, there is increasing importance of quality control and regulatory and compliance in industries like safety, food safety, pharmaceutical and healthcare. The emerging trend in microbiology, such as precious medicines, synthetic biology, and antimicrobial resistance. Further, we are looking to expand global presence and market share. We look forward to expand product portfolio, enhance e-commerce presence and digital engagement, strengthen supply chain and manufacturing efficiency, development novel culture media, establish Titan Biotech as global leader in microbiological diagnostics, invest in research and development to drive innovation, enhance customer support and service. Employee achievements. At Titan Biotech Limited, our employees are our greatest assets. Their dedication, expertise, and passion drive our success. We are proud to recognize and celebrate their achievements. Their birthdays, work anniversary are celebrated at annual function was held. Loyalty certificate increments, promotions, and monetary benefits are given for motivating the employees. CSR and its impact on the community. We focus on education, construction of school, healthcare, and other activities are fulfill our corporate social responsibilities. Challenges which we are facing now. We have to ensure regulatory compliance, supply chain disruptions, talent acquisitions, and retentions and operational efficiency apart from market competition, economic volatility, technological achievements, and global health concerns. We try to invest in research and development, look for strategic partnerships, operational excellence by enhancing efficiency and productivity and risk management. Acknowledgement. We extend our sincere gratitude to the board members and appreciate the guidance and leadership provided by them. We thank all employees and stakeholders for their invaluable support and contribution. Conclusion. As we reflect on the past year, we are proud of our accomplishments and acknowledge the challenge we have faced. Titan Biotech Limited commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction remains unwavering. We are confident in our ability to navigate the evolving landscape of microbiological diagnosis and culture media solutions. We would like to reiterate our gratitude to our customers, partners, suppliers, and stakeholders for their trust, support, and dedication. The notice of the meeting has been sent to all the shareholders of the company along with the annual report. Therefore, I take the notice of the AGM as read. Further, there are no observations or adverse remark in the auditor report on standalone and consolidated financial statements of the company. Therefore, I take the auditor's report also as read. Now I invite shareholders or speakers to address their remarks and therefore ask for the host, moderator, or Mr. Chanjit to unmute the registered speakers and allow audio and video for each registered speakers. Thank you. Over to the host.
Now, I would request the host to invite speaker number 1, Mr. Satya Mittal, who has been registered as a speaker. So please allow Mr. Satya Mittal and unmute him so that he can speak.
Satya Mittal not present.
Okay, now I invite speaker number 2, Mr. Nikhil Upadhyay. Please connect Mr. Nikhil Upadhyay.
Sir, Mr. Nikhil Upadhyay not present.
Okay. Now I invite speaker number 3, Mr. Jasmeet Singh. Please allow Mr. Jasmeet Singh to speak.
Jasmeet CV not present.
Okay, further I invite speaker number 4, Miss Charanjeet Kaur. Please see if she can be connected. Miss
Charanjeet
Charanjeet
नहीं है
Kaur.
sir.
Okay. Now the last speaker here is Mr. Naman Multani.
क्या
Please
नाम
see.
बताया?
Naman Multani. Mr. Naman Multani.
नमन जी अपना आपको म्यूट कीजिए प्लीज. नमन जी. मिस्टर नमन. नमन जी. नमन जी अपना आपको अनम्यूट कीजिए प्लीज. नमन जी बोलिए.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, yes, please.
Okay, okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I have few questions. My first question is that have you started the production from the capital expenditure we had done, or it is yet to be begin?
You can mention all your questions.
Yeah,
Continuity
okay,
will
okay,
reply.
sir.
The chairman will reply after that.
Okay, sir. And second question is, sir, if you can give the revenue breakup of like culture media and nutraceutical verticals. And my third question is, if you can tell about your geographical presence in India. And sir, fourth question is about the manpower. Your manpower has increased from 396 to 449. So if you can throw some light on it, that would be great. And sir, my last question is about the Peptech Bioscience business model. I want to know, like, is it a B2C business or B2B business? And do we engage in white labeling or CDMO services? That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you, Namanji. I would like to mention here that apart from Mr. Naman, he has already sent his questions earlier on the mail. And apart from that, Mr. Satya Mittal also sent some questions. And the reply will be given by the chairman, sir, after all these speakers have spoken. So we can try once more if any speaker is still available, so that we can thereafter move on further. Puniji, can we connect any one of the speakers, like Mr. Satya Mittal or Mr. Jasmeet or Ms. Charanjeet Kaur?
जसमीत जी को मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. एक मिनट होल्ड करें.
Okay, okay.
जसमीत जी बोलिए। मिस्टर जसमीत। एक मिनट। जसमीत जी। जसमीत जी अनम्यूट कर दिया मैंने आपको, बोलिए प्लीज।
सर क्या आप मुझे कंफर्म करेंगे कि मैं ऑडिबल हूँ?
यस यस प्लीज जसमीत जी बोलिए।
ठीक है जी, ठीक है। चेयरमैन सिंगला जी, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स और को शेयर होल्डर्स, आई एम जसमीत सिंह फ्रॉम दिल्ली कनेक्टिंग यू टुडे इन दिस एनुअल बॉडी मीट ऑफ आवर कंपनी टाइटन बायोटेक लिमिटेड। सर, जो रिजल्ट्स आपने दिए हैं ना, ये हमारे लिए एक दिशा है कि आप जितने प्रयास और यत्न के साथ जो है हमारा जो है ये कंपनी को एक प्रगति के पथ पे आपने जो अग्रसर किया हुआ है, उसका जो है ना, मैं आपको एक तरह से मैं धन्यवाद मैं कहना चाहता हूँ। मेरे को पूरी जो है ना अपने लीडरशिप टीम पे पूरा विश्वास भरोसा है कि आपकी जो प्लानिंग है आने वाले वर्षों के लिए, वो हमारी जो कंपनी को जो है वो प्रगति पथ पर ही रखेगी। हमारी वैल्यूएशंस जो हैं वो इंक्रीज होंगी। मैं एक दो मेरे छोटे छोटे से प्रश्न है सर, वो ये है कि जो हमारे जो प्लांट्स जो हैं, जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैसिलिटीज हैं, उसमें सेफ्टी ऑडिट्स जो हैं वो आपने वो करवाते हैं, उसके बारे में थोड़ा आप बताएं। इसके बाद जो है वो ESG का आजकल जो है ना, पिछले 2-3 सालों से गवर्नमेंट ने जो है वो इसका एक वो किया हुआ है, उसकी नेसेसिटी की हुई है, तो उसकी भी रेटिंग्स होती हैं। तो क्या हम रेटिंग्स करवाते हैं? तो इसका थोड़ा सा बताएं। ये जो दो चीजें जो हैं, एक तो सेफ्टी ऑडिट्स और एक जो ESG रेटिंग्स, ये बहुत बड़ी जो है ना, एक हमारे को एक वो एक जैसे ISO है, तो एक हमारे को एक सर्टिफिकेशन एक देता है कि हाँ जी, हम सारे जो एक इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स का जो है वो हम पूरी तरह से हम फॉलो करते हैं। मैं सर जो इसके जो साथ हमारे और भी बहुत सारी जो चीज़ों पर मैं बोलने के लिए मैं उत्सुक हूँ, लेकिन मैं यहाँ पर मैं विराम देना चाहूँगा। लेकिन मैं प्रशंसा जो है आपकी जो CSR एक्टिविटीज़ की, वो किए बगैर मैं नहीं रहूँगा। उसमें आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं। और जो हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए जो आप ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स जो कंडक्ट करते हैं, वो जो है वो आप उनको जारी रखिए, ताकि उनको जो है वो एक स्किल या उनको एक सारी तरह से जो है उनकी जो नॉलेज है वो इंक्रीज हो। हमारे एक R&D के ऊपर मैं चाहूँगा कि अगर आप थोड़ा उसमें भी एक अपना जो है कुछ बताएं कि हमारा कितना जो है वो R&D में निवेश चल रहा है, और कोई पेटेंट जो है अगर हमने अप्लाई किए हो और वो पेटेंट अगर ग्रांट हुए हो, सो दैट मतलब इट एक जो है ना वो रीअश्योरेंस मिलती है कि हाँ जी, पेटेंट भी हमारे जो है वो हो रहे हैं हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स के ऊपर। बाकी सर, ये जो हमारे जो सेक्रेटरी हेड हैं, कंप्लायंस हेड श्री चरणजीत सिंह जी, इनका मैं हार्दिक दिल से जो धन्यवाद करता हूँ। इनके जो है कारण ही मैं आज जुड़ पाया। अगर ये जो मॉडरेटर साहब हैं, he has the knack of ignoring most of the shareholders in all the meetings, and it has been a pain point. Repeatedly I have to or other people have to connect to the company secretary to ask him कि भैया आप देखो कि ये शेयर होल्डर जो है वो जुड़ा हुआ है और इसको आप बोलने का अवसर प्रदान करो। ओनली ही हैज, मतलब अगर मैं 5 स्टार रेटिंग में ना, जो रेटिंग है इनकी वो 0 हो तो 0 मैं दूंगा। बाकी ये इनको क्यों नहीं नजर में आता? एट द वेरी आउटसेट आई एम वेरी सरप्राइज। मैं बोले बगैर मैं रह नहीं सका था, लेकिन मैं अब इसके बगैर मेरा दिल नहीं मानेगा, क्योंकि जो इनको एक क्लियर जो है ना पारदर्शिता के रूप से इनको ये पता चलना चाहिए कि इनका जो काम जो है वो कितना जो प्रसन्न है लोग और उससे कितने अप्रसन्न है। मैं सर बस यहीं पर ही मैं विराम देता हूं। आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है अपनी तरफ से, लेकिन अगर कोई अगला ही बंदा जो है वो ठीक ना करे तो उसमें वो आपके भी हाथ में नहीं है। मैं आई हैव नथिंग अगेंस्ट द कंपनी हु हैव कंडक्टेड दिस मीटिंग विद होल हार्टेडली। मतलब अब ये आगे ना काम हो तो फिर उसमें कुछ नहीं। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। ऑल माय ग्रुप मेंबर्स आर सपोर्टिंग ऑल द रेजोल्यूशंस। बाय बाय।
Okay, thank you, Jasmeet ji. I would like to apologize on behalf of the Beetle for not being able to connect the shareholders. I could see Mr. Satya Mittal is connected, and I think Mr. Nikhil is also connected. So I would request Mr. Puneet to please give an opportunity to Mr. Satya Mittal first and then to Mr. Nikhil to speak.
Sir, I hope I am audible.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Chairman sir and MD sir, to give me the opportunity to ask questions. Sir, I have a few questions. I have emailed some of my questions. I have some more questions. Sir, they are that, if you can give the revenue breakup of, current revenues that we have, 160, 165 crore revenues that we have. What is the breakup between 3-4 segments that, we talk about? Biological media assays, supplements, media culture, and other various segments that we talk about. If you can give what is the revenues from each of these segments. So second question is that we have been doing capex last 2 years, and we have spent decent amount on our capacity expansion. Last 2-3 years we have spent some 30 crores. So if you can talk about where we spend this capex, which segments we did capex on, and what will drive growth in these segments. That is the second question. The third question is, if you can mention about some competition in the domestic market, and what is the domestic market size for our products. When we say that we have the best quality and we want to achieve that highest quality standard, we would like to compare that to other players and see that how actually our products are. So if you can talk a little about the competition, that will be really helpful, and the domestic market size for our products. And sir, it's good to see that the growth which came in COVID has been sustained, and we have grown further beyond that, and that COVID year maybe was one off in terms of margins, but top line has sustained. So sir, from here, where do you see numbers going, like in terms of growth in 2-3 years, 4 years time? Can we achieve a 300-400 crore top line? Do we see that much potential, and while maintaining the margins as well? That is my third question. Sir, after this, we have a lot of investments also on our books. What do we plan to use this cash for? And our company has been generating very healthy cash flows. I must say our working capital is quite maintained, and we generate 20-25 crores cash flows every year. So how do we plan to utilize that going ahead? And sir, final question, like what is the vision of the management? I see a lot of family members are involved, which is very good to see. So how are roles defined of each family members, who takes care of what? And we also see some related party transactions where we have some unlisted entities. Sir, why not bring them into the listed entity by merging or doing something? The promoter stake will also go up from 56% currently, and it will be beneficial overall both to the promoters and to the minority shareholders. So that's a humble suggestion. And sir, last suggestion is that our company, in this market, even very small companies with no profits maybe are also doing better investor communication, while our company has been long existing and has been doing good profitability. While there is no communication to the minority investors in any form, we, apart from the one annual report document which we get every year, there is no quarterly press release, or you can try to do half yearly con call or something like that, so that the investors are well aware about whatever is happening in the company, and we can be updated about it instead of coming to the AGM. And there also, sir, like Jasmeet ji was mentioning earlier, maybe we don't get a chance all the time. Maybe we miss, like the moderator misses giving us a chance or whatever. Sir, I humbly request that once in 6 months we do a public con call where all of us can participate and ask questions on what is happening in the company. That is a sincere request from my side.
Thank you, Satya Mittal ji. Now I would request Mr. Puneet Mittal to see if Ms. Charanjit Kaur is available. She can be connected.
Mr. Ajay Kumar Jain भी है आए हुए हैं.
Okay, then he can also be connected.
Okay, पहले किसको करना है? चरणजीत जी को
देखिए जो
करना है या अजय जी
अभी
को?
अवेलेबल हैं इमीडिएटली ऑनलाइन हैं उनको कनेक्ट कर दीजिए.
मिस्टर अजय कुमार जैन प्लीज बोलिए.
नमस्कार चेयरमैन सर, मैं दिल्ली के से अजय कुमार जैन कंपनी का शेयर होल्डर बोलता हूँ. और सर मीटिंग में जुड़ने का उद्देश्य आपके दर्शन करना भी होता है और चेयरमैन स्पीच सुनना भी होता है. जहां आपने लास्ट एजीएम खत्म की थी और जो एजीएम के दौरान आपने कंपनी के प्रोस्पेक्टस और फाइनेंशियल्स के बारे में बताया था कि फ्यूचर में क्या होगा, उससे भी अच्छा करके आप विगत वर्ष में करके शुभकामनाएं और धन्यवाद सर. सवाल तो सर लोग बहुत पूछेंगे, लेकिन इतनी देर से मैं बैठा हूँ, किसी भी शेयर होल्डर ने आपके किए हुए कार्य की सराहना कम की है. सवालों का सिलसिला जारी है. सवाल वहां पूछे जाते हैं जहां मैनेजमेंट काम करके ना दिखाए, और आप जैसा डायनेमिक पर्सनैलिटी के आगे तो सर जो भी है पूछता रहे. और आज आपने अपनी चेयरमैन स्पीच के दौरान जो भी कहा है तो उससे सुनने के बाद तो ये महसूस होता है कि जब ये 2024-25 का वित्त वर्ष खत्म होगा तो आपके में कंपनी की चार शेयर होल्डर को मिलने की प्रबल संभावना बन गई है. चाहे वह राइट, बोनस, स्प्लिट या कुछ भी, वो एक प्रबल संभावना बन गई है. क्योंकि सर एक आप ऐसे चेयरमैन है, कमाते आप हैं और लाभ शेयर होल्डर उठाता है और उसकी ग्रोथ को आप बढ़ाते हैं. और सर दो बात मैं आपके लिए जरूर कहना चाहूंगा. जितने साल में मैंने आपकी कार्य प्रणाली को देख के सीखा है, जो इंस्पायर करती है युवा पीढ़ी को कि वे कल को प्रोजेक्ट लगाएं और मेहनत करें. थोड़ा समय लगता है, तड़फ कामयाबी की होनी चाहिए, सोच तो कोई हर कोई लेता है सर. आप
नाम बताओ.
जब तड़फ थी कामयाबी कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंचाया है, इसके लिए भी आपको लिए धन्यवाद. आज सभा में जितने भी आपने प्रस्ताव रखे हैं उसका मैं अनुमोदना करता हूं, और उसके पारित होने के बाद कंपनी का विश्वास पारित होने के बाद कंपनी को और मजबूती मिलेगी. सीएस सर ने आपके दिशा निर्देश के अनुसार बिल्कुल हमेशा की बात ही एक अच्छा अरेंजमेंट किया, और एक ऐसे आपके दिशा निर्देश के अनुसार ऐसे सीएस हैं जिन्होंने ऑनलाइन भी यदि किसी ने कहा चैट पे उसको भी जोड़ा उसमें देख, मैं उनके लिए भी उसको धन्यवाद करूंगा. और एक जो शिकायत की थी अन्य शेयर होल्डरों ने, आज का प्रेशर मीटिंग का इतना था, कोई कहीं जुड़ा था कोई कहीं जुड़ा था, उसको पता नहीं चल पा रहा था. तो कोई शिकायत सर आज वाजिब नहीं है किसी भी शेयर होल्डर की. रजिस्ट्रार ने तो इतना अच्छा मैनेजमेंट किया है, और मैं जो भी होस्ट है हमारे उनको जानते हैं सर, वो तो फैमिलियर शेयर होल्डर है, वरना आप इतने सेलेक्ट नहीं करते हैं. ये आपकी क्वालिटी है, क्योंकि आप है ना हमेशा बेस्ट क्वालिटी चाहते हैं सर. और आने वाला समय भगवान आपको दीर्घ आयु दे, स्वस्थ रखे, और जिसका लाभ जो मैंने कहा कमाएं आप और शेयर होल्डर को मिले, इसी आशा विश्वास के साथ.
पुनीत जी, मिस्टर निखिल उपाध्याय आई थिंक इज कनेक्टेड. एक बारी देखिए इफ ही कैन बी इफ ही कैन स्पीक. मिस्टर निखिल इज देयर.
ओनली निखिल आ रहा है, उपाध्याय नहीं आ रहा उसमें.
हाँ, एक बार आप चेक कर लें.
मैं पैनलिस्ट बना दिया मैंने इनको ना.
हाँ, जो रजिस्टर्ड पैनल है स्पीकर.
निखिल जी.
हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून.
अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए प्लीज.
हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून.
गुड आफ्टरनून निखिल जी, बोलिए.
I'm Nikhil Upadhyay. I joined as Nikhil. And I have already sent a set of questions to Charanjit ji. I think he had replied also that you have the set of questions with you.
Yes, definitely.
I have only two additional questions. And first of all, I think I really appreciate the way the company has scaled up. And in this business where for a long time, I think growth was not coming, and choosing this biochemistry and bio-based products, it's a great work and great appreciation to the management of how they've scaled up the business. I just have two questions here, sir. When we talk about our capacities, are these chemical capacities or are these fermentation based capacities? If you can just help me understand this basic idea. And secondly, in the beginning of the chairman's speech, you gave 5 segments which we operate. If we map these 5 segments to the revenue breakup which we gave in our previous annual reports, if you can just guide us, how do they map up? So cell media we do understand, but then we also talk about peptones and chemicals. So which of the segments like protein, collagen, chelated or saccharides map up to peptones and which map up to chemicals? Other than that, I've already sent a set of questions. I would hope and request you if you can answer them in detail. And just like other previous shareholders, I think we are doing a great job, and the way we've scaled up the company. If you can do one analyst meet or annual call, I think that will also be very helpful, sir, in understanding the company, because the company is doing great job. So a request, if you can just consider it, and annual analyst meet or call is it will go a long way. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you, Nikhilji. Now I request this Mr. Puneet to please connect Ms. Charanjit Kaur. I think she's already connected.
जी अपना आपको अनम्यूट कीजिए प्लीज.
हाँ जी sir, am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay. Good afternoon, Chairman sir, Mr. Naresh Singla, and everyone attending this virtual AGM. Sir, I'm very happy to read the excellent result in the year under review, and I acknowledge the overall increase on various parameters. Your detailed presentation is reassurance of our bright future. Our business operations and specialty chemical is ever growing, especially with unrest in the international market, more so in China. And I foresee a bright future for our company. Sir, my question to you is, what is our capacity utilization of our plants? And how many R&D labs we have? Rest, I support all the resolutions, and thanks to the secretarial team and the moderator to connect me on this VC, allowing me to interact with the management today. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Puniji, any other registered speaker is there? Puniji, any other registered speaker is there? Or shall we proceed? So there are no more speakers, and therefore I request Chairman sir to please proceed.
Thank you so much, everybody, who has raised all these questions and their queries. I would like to answer all of them. I have considered everything, whatever they asked me. So I have noted all their suggestions, concerns, and everything. So I would like to answer, first, the annual report of the company gives all important informations as required by the shareholders. However, to explain further, we can summarize all these questions like this. Like the people have asked for the capex, like company has spent so much of money in the capex and all these things. I would like to tell them, company has expanded its existing unit E540 Chopanki to adjacent plot E539. So we have just created one more facility adjacent to our existing plant and constructed a building on this with HAVEC system to further increase the production of biological products. And all warehouses and process facilities have been installed with the air-cooled chillers to maintain the right storage temperature and the working conditions. So main capex is mainly for this thing, so that our product should lie in a controlled temperatures and we can have a good facility as per the international standards. Like some we have bought some new machineries also, so that we can have a quality products and somehow test the products also. Like the specialized machinery we have bought with the SCADA systems and purchased from reputed suppliers and currently under installation. Moreover, certain upgrades have been made and further upgrades may be required in the current facilities to keep up with the changing requirements of the workplace as per the international standards. Certain capex expenditure shall be capitalized in the current financial year. We have commenced production on one line and shall commence another line by the fourth quarter of this year. Our previous capacity has been fully utilized, and the new capacity we have just somehow started with utilization of 25% in the financial year 23-24. We have increased the manpower in all segments. Addition of the new production line has been contributed to this increase. And our focus is mainly on hydrolysis of biological substrates. The company has two focus areas, first being culture media bases and the chemicals. We are actively promoting and expanding our microbiological culture media range over the years. We have gained a strong foothold in the prepared culture media, ready-to-use culture media, plates, and liquid media, lab chemicals, as well as media bases for aiding fermentation processes. The other is our nutrition and the food segment. Our nutraceutical range houses are clinically tested star products like Titagen, Titabon, and Unstagen, which are different variety of collagen. Besides, the company offers other supplements for the bone joint pain, skin care, and the sports nutrition. Food products like the calcium propionate have already good demand. Both the segments have approximately equal contribution in the sales. Our products make less than 10% of the sales. As far as the Biotech is concerned, Biotech Biosciences is engaged in B2B segment in manufacturing of pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, plant growth promoters, regulators, chemical fertilizers, and suspension concentrates. Companies engaged in contract manufacturing as well. We are expecting 15% growth in the coming years. So as far as geographical presence we talk, we are a B2B company. So we supply our products to companies in India and international markets and are not restricted to any particular region. We are continuously making endeavors to increase our sales by finding new customers as well as pitching new products to the existing customers. As far as the competition is concerned, we face competition from both domestic and international players as well, so who are operating in the markets. Each segment has its own competition. We differentiate ourselves by being a trustworthy producer, providing quality products with commendable after-sales support. Demand for the collagen peptide is increasing, and so is the competition, resulting in higher new raw material costs. As far as the RPT is concerned, related party transactions, some key raw materials are not available in the open market. People manufacturing raw materials are also engaged in manufacturing of the final product, and hence are a threat to our future business. Through RPT, we have done backward integration and are able to control the supply and maintain the quality of the incoming raw materials. We are also doing some contract manufacturing for these companies, thereby increasing our revenue. Some of the companies are our support net to meet the financial needs of the company in case of any urgent fund needs. Transactions are usually not held with these companies until and unless required. R&D, as is concerned, our R&D team reports to the quality head. The equipments are shared between the quality control and the R&D team. The department is engaged in improving the quality of existing products or cost reduction of existing products, besides developing new products from the beginning. These expenses have not been bifurcated completely due to mixed use. So as far as the safety are concerned, so company has been working for the safety of its employees as well as the plant, all our whatever the possibilities are there. So we have been taking care, or anything what is suggested by our shareholders or our team. So we'll take care in the future also. We thank the shareholders for participating in the annual general meeting of the company. Further, the shareholders who have not cast their vote may cast the same 15 minutes after the meeting time. Finally, I would like to thank all the board members, representative of auditors, registrar and share transfer agents, and shareholders for attending the AGM. Thank you so much.
It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of Titan Biotech Limited. Firstly, I would like to thank our chairman, sir, for sparing his precious time and sharing important insight into the working of the company at this annual general meeting. I would like to thank all the board members, statutory auditors, scrutinizer, and the shareholders of the company for attending the meeting. The consolidated outcomes of both remote e-voting and e-voting during the AGM will be communicated to the BSE Limited, and where the company's share are listed, and subsequently also published on the company's website within 48 hours following the meeting closure for the information of the shareholders. I request the host to deactivate the e-voting window at the end of 15 minutes extension, marking the conclusion of this annual general meeting. So once again, I thank everyone for being so interactive and having given a good participation in the meeting. Thank you very much.